Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about mass communication, grade 3 EVS lesson. Objective: to learn what is mass communication, what are the different modes of mass communication, what are the most popular means of mass communication, difference between personal and mass communication. Mass communication. Mass communication means communication with a large number of people at the same time. Different modes of mass communication. There are different modes of mass communication. They are radio, television, newspapers, magazines, and movies. Radio and television. The radio and television are the most popular means of communication. People who cannot read and write find these as the simplest way to learn a lot of things. They provide the latest information on important events from around the country and the world. Radio. Radio helps people to listen to news, songs, and other programs wherever they are. Television. Television enables people to hear and see programs sitting in their homes, offices, etc. Newspapers and magazines are also means of mass communication. Movies. Movies too help in mass communication. Some movies also carry important messages while entertaining us at the same time. Difference between personal and mass communication. Personal communication. Personal communication means sharing information on an individual basis. Example: telephone, fax, email, etc. Mass communication. Mass communication means communicating with a large number of people at the same time. Example: radio, television, newspaper, etc. Points to remember. Mass communication means communication with a large number of people at the same time. There are different modes of mass communication. Radio and television are the most popular means of mass communication. Newspaper, magazines, and movies are also mass communication. Difference between personal and mass communication. Words to learn. Radio. R-A-D-I-O. Radio. Television. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Television. Newspapers. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R-S. Newspapers. Magazines. M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E-S. Magazines. Entertainment. E-N-T-E-R-T-A-I-N-M-E-N-T. Entertainment. Information. I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N. Information. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. It's question time. Say yes or no. Radio is one of the most popular means of mass communication. Yes. Newspaper is an example of personal communication. No. The television programs are only for entertainment. No. Do movies carry messages? Yes. People who cannot read and write use magazines to learn a lot. No. Well done, children. In our next video, we will see about mailing a letter. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.